Hello friends, welcome back to Learn English by Speaking. I'm Inawi and today we are going to practice a simple, useful conversation that happens at a cafe. You will learn new words and then repeat a real conversation with me. Ready? Let's start. First, let's learn some words you will hear at a cafe. Menu, the list of food and drink. Order, to ask for food or drinks. Waiter or waitress, the person who serves you. Bill, the paper showing how much you pay. Receipt, the paper you keep after paying. Table for two, a table for two people. Beverage, another word for drink. Dessert, sweet food after a meal. Please repeat after me. Menu, order. Waitress, waiter. Bill, receipt, table for two. Beverage, dessert. Now let's practice a real conversation. Listen first, then repeat after me. Customer, hello. Could I see the menu please? Waiter, sure, here you go. Customer, thank you. I would like a coffee and a sandwich please. Waiter, would you like anything else? Customer, no, thank you. That's all. Waiter, alright, your order will be ready soon. Customer, excuse me, could I have the bill please? Waiter, of course, here is your bill. Customer, thank you very much. Waiter, you are welcome. Have a nice day. Now it's your turn. I will say the waiter's line. You will be the customer and repeat after me. Great job. Now you can order food and drinks at a cafe in English. Practice this conversation at home or with friends to sound confident. If you like this lesson, like the subscribe button and join me for more daily English speaking practice. See you in the next video. Bye bye.